Thousands of people have already been evacuated, and people still living in nearby areas have been told to stay indoors and away from those fumes. This is the live pictures we've got right now from the volcano as it continues to erupt. Dramatic stuff. Well, our correspondent Becky Cottrell reports now from La Palma.
It was the moment they've been nervously waiting for. Would the lava make it to the sea? It did, cascading over a cliff edge into the Atlantic Ocean. And it kept coming, these molten streams still vicious even after they'd left the land.
The steam and gas is created by a thermal shock when the lava, which is over 1,000 degrees Celsius, hits the sea, which is just over 20 degrees Celsius. It releases hydrochloric acid, which is dangerous if you breathe it in or if it gets in your eyes. We are at a safe distance here, but the people in the towns near the shore have been told to stay inside.
That includes this area, Tazacorte. But they're carrying on as normal, the new normal. Like most, they're used to wearing masks by now. They aren't overly worried here. The direction of the wind means the gas from the sea has stayed away.
De esta manera, porque en verdad lo que nos perjudica ahora es el tema de la ceniza. Más bien el tema de gases, ¿no?
Llevamos 10 días que estamos en vilo y un sin vivir, pero la verdad que hoy, bueno, en la noche cuando ya tocó la lava al mar, pues quieras o no, ya esa preocupación que teníamos de si se llevaba más territorio, más viviendas, pues la verdad que ahora estamos como un poquito más tranquilos, esperando que el volcán termine de hacer su proceso.
But there are other fears, like the fate of the fish.
People from here, our economy depends on the fish industry, so it's really important, you know, to analyze the future effects of this situation.
But scientists say despite the carnage caused by the eruption on land, it will increase biodiversity on the seabed.
We are going to have now an underwater forest, in a couple of months, once the lava cooled down, and in an area that was before the lava was completely a desert, no life at all.
La Palma's nickname is La Isla Bonita, beautiful island. Right now it's remarkable. Look at that headland. That's lava, growing and cooling. This place has been changed by this volcano, not just physically. And it's still erupting, promising more destruction. Becky Cottrell, Sky News, La Palma.